Do you ever feel like money is this chaotic force you can't control? Like you either get lucky or play it safe, but never truly own your financial story? Paco de León, a musician turned financial advisor and the author of The Creative's Guide to Money, calls out a raw truth. Most people aren't bad with money, they're just weird about it. Guilt, shame, confusion. The idea that money is dirty or scary isn't about numbers, it's about trauma. And here's what most miss. You don't need a finance degree to fix this. You need to rewrite how you feel about money. Let's break down why your brain resists financial freedom and how to rewire it. Paco's wake-up call. Money isn't logical, it's psychological. For example, a freelance designer avoids budgeting because it feels like selling out. A musician skips invoicing clients to avoid being the bad guy. Sound familiar? Most financial struggles aren't math problems, they're identity problems. Write down 3 emotions tied to money: fear, shame, guilt. Now ask, is this about the money or about how I see myself? Paco warns, saying money isn't important doesn't free you. It traps you in denial. Why? Because ignoring money doesn't make it disappear. It makes you avoid the tools that could set you free. For example, an artist who refuses to price their work fairly ends up broke and bitter. A writer avoids negotiating rates, then wonders why they're stuck in survival mode. Next time you hear, I just want to focus on my craft and still earn what I'm worth. Paco's rule: everyone has a money story, a mix of family patterns, cultural conditioning, and personal scars. For example, a client grew up hearing money is evil, so they subconsciously undercharge for their services. Another was raised in scarcity, so they panic at the thought of saving. Ask, what did I learn about money in childhood? Write it down, then rewrite it. Money isn't dirty, it's fuel for the life I want. Paco's shortcut: your bank account isn't a moral judgment, it's a dashboard. Stop seeing money as a reflection of your worth. See it as a tool. For example, a filmmaker stopped calling her budget a guilt trip. She renamed her savings account Freedom Fund. Suddenly, she prioritized it. Today, do one tiny thing. Check your balance. Set a $10 savings goal. Write down one financial fear. Small acts dismantle big blocks. Paco's blueprint. Creative people don't need more income. They need systems. Most chase more money without building the framework to keep it. For example, a musician landed a big gig but didn't track expenses. Result? Owed taxes, no savings. Fix: separate accounts, business versus personal, emergency fund versus fund money. Automate: set 10% of income to auto-save. Audit quarterly, no shame, just data. Where did I leak? Where did I thrive? Here's the truth. Your creative brain isn't bad at money. It's just been trained to fear it. Paco's closing line: money isn't the enemy. It's the bridge between your talent and your life. Like, subscribe, and let's build lives where your creativity and cash coexist together. Your bank account is not a report card for your soul. It's a dashboard for your life. Stop judging the numbers and start using them. Subscribe and comment. I will rewrite my story to take back control.